Yeah, I got mirrors on my bike, guys, and I love it. I got this bike custom made for me. Talk about that later though. It's half bike, half city bike, half mountain bike. So I can have the basket and the comfortable handlebars of a city bike and the comfortable seat of a city bike with the knobby tires and off-roadness of a of a mountain bike. So I got the hybrid Cambo bike. Perfect for Cambo. Alright, Siem Reap, baby, here I am. And I guess I go that way. Let's check out the old map. Let's check out the old map here. See how I go. Okay, so yeah, it looks like I want to go that way, get down the middle of Siem Reap to, what is that, Charles de Gaulle Road. Take a right all the way to Zitibata. Okay, let's go. Put on my shades. Let's do this. And on the bus trip up here, I took my bike, obviously, on the bus, and now my back wheel is doing something weird, so I don't know. In the bus, it got slightly tweaked or something. My tire's just rubbing, and that really sucks. But, oh well. Yeah, you can hear that. It's making some weird noise now. Wasn't doing it before, but I think the tire got bent a little bit or something, and now it's warped and it's scraping, but oh well, I'll fix it. Hopefully it'll be all right today. And I'm glad I got a bike that shifts gears, because that can really come in handy. Yeah, the old mirrors work out pretty good. I don't care if somebody out there's gonna laugh at me, but I don't really care. Good morning. And actually, these things come in handy great, man. These mirrors, awesome. And no, I'm not married. You see the ring? It's just I'm wearing it on this finger. And some people have asked me, well, why didn't you just get a moto? Well, I'm gonna get a bike first, learn this place a little bit more in the system before I get a moto or a car, because it can be dangerous around here driving. So I think I'll learn on a bike first and then go from there. And I know you guys want to see stuff, probably don't want to hear me talking the whole time, so I'll say minimal things here and there, but So let me get out. I need to mount my phone, a map, so I can see. Also, if you see right here, I got this GoPro mount, so I can. Oh yeah, actually, you know what, guys? That's what I was gonna do. I'm gonna mount it there while I'm riding the bike. Hello, and then mount it on my hat when I get to Angkor Wat. So let's do that.